Yung mga mayayaman, lalong yung mayayaman, kasi ginagamit nila yung free time nila to earn more money. Let me show you something. So there's this company called Sitaw. Meron siyang app at meron din siyang website. So ayan guys, meron tayo ngayong worth 392,000 na products sold. So ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, napakarami nating pending na orders at kailangan natin yung i-pick para ma-release ng warehouse. So, check muna natin yung wallet natin. So, for now, meron tayong 8,700 na wallet balance. So, since may laman yung wallet natin, gagamitin natin yan to actually pay and take the delivery para madala doon sa customer natin. At ang kagandahan dito, you don't have to spend money sa traffic, sa marketing because Sitaw will provide the traffic and the marketing for you. Hindi mo rin kailangan mamuhunan agad sa produkto na hindi ka sure kung mabebenta kasi dito, mamumuhunan ka lang, gagastos ka lang kapag sure na benta na. At wala ka rin po problemahin sa products because may produkto na dito, ikaw na lang ang mamimili kung ano yung kaya ng budget mo. Recommendation ko lang sa inyo guys, piliin nyo muna yung mga murang products kasi ang bilis pumasok ng benta. Araw-araw may benta. So while we are enjoying this amazing view at Punta Fuego, we are always looking forward to check our phone kung may benta o kung kumita na tayo ng pera. So instead of using your extra time for things that are not related to your goals and dreams, why not use your extra time and of course, extra money to earn more? So if you want to be part of this, check the comment section, be a seller now, and use the referral code MJ Lopez. Yun lang, and see you soon.